Hello everybody. In previous video we have covered how to model wall, doors and windows. In this video we will see how to model floor and roof. To create the floor I will go to level 1. Then in architecture tab I will select floor. From the draw panel I will select rectangle shape and I will draw from exterior to exterior wall. Once done, hit OK. Let's check in the 3D. Here is our floor ready. Now to create the roof I will go to level 1. In the architecture tab I will select the roof. It's asking me for the level. Level 2 is perfect, so I will say yes. Again in draw panel I will select rectangle shape. I will draw my roof where I want. Once done, hit OK. Let's check in 3D. Here is our roof ready. To change its type I will select it, go to drop down, then I will change its type. Now our model is ready with wall, floor, door, windows and roof. Subscribe if you want to learn Revit step by step. Thank you.